Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's video lesson topic is present tense. As you can see on your screen, present tense has further been divided into its aspects. The first one is present indefinite tense or present simple tense. The second one is present continuous tense. The third one is present perfect tense. And the last and the fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. These subtenses of present tense are called aspects. So in our today's video lesson, we will discuss the first aspect of present tense, that is present indefinite tense or present simple tense. Before discussing present simple tense, let us have a look at the background of the word tense. So as you can see on your screen, the word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. In English grammar, this difference in tense is shown in the form of verbs. As you know, there are 4 forms of a verb. So every form of a verb is used to show a different tense. As you can see on your screen, present indefinite tense or present simple tense is called Fa'il Hal Mutlaq in Urdu. Okay, what would be its Urdu recognition? So its Urdu recognition is when there are Urdu words like ta hai, ti hai, te hai, ta hu at the end of Urdu sentences. So it is the recognition of present indefinite tense, means such Urdu sentences will be translated into present indefinite tense. Now let us discuss what are those conditions and situations where this tense is used. So the first one is it will describe habits. Okay, the second condition is it will describe universal or general truth. Okay, and the last condition is it will describe repeated action. So an action that is repeated again and again, a sort of in your routine, so it will describe that action too. Now let us discuss the structure of present indefinite tense. So the structure of this tense is, as you can see on your screen, at the beginning will be subject, then first form of the verb that is used as a main verb, and then object. Okay, as you can see, this will be the structure with I, we and you. Okay, then the structure with he, she, it in a singular noun is different, where a small addition is made to the first form of the verb, and that is SRES plus object. When the subject is in the plural form like they are boys, again there will be no addition of SRES to the first form of the verb. So the structure of I, we, you, they, boys is the same, while the structure of he, she, it in a singular noun like Azhar is the same. Now there are some sentences on your screen. So the difference between he, she, it in a singular noun, while I, we, you, they and plural noun will be made clearer with this slide. Now you can see I work. Okay, there is no addition of SRES. You work, he works. Now the subject is he, so therefore we added S to the first form of the verb work. She works, it works. Okay, if we put a singular noun like Ahmad, so again Ahmad works, we work, you work, they work. These are the affirmative or positive sentences in present simple tense. Now look at the interrogative sentences where we use do and does as helping verb. do is used with the subjects other than he, she, it and a singular noun, while does is used with he, she, it and a singular noun. As you can see, do I work. The next one is do you work. Now when it is he is the subject of the sentence, then we will use does as the helping verb. But remember, when you use does, then no addition of s or es will be made to the first form of the verb. Okay, we will use work instead of works. Okay, does he work? Does she work? Does it work? Does Ahmed work? Do we work? Do you work? And do they work? Now look at the negative sentences. I don't work. You don't work. He doesn't work. Okay. Now you can see that with the subject he, does not has been used. She doesn't work. It doesn't work. If it were a noun like Ahmed, so again it would be Ahmed doesn't work. We don't work. You don't work. And they don't work. Okay. Now look at these sentences along with Urdu so that your understanding of this tense is further established. Okay, क्या वो एक साथ नहीं खेलते हैं? Now look at the structure at the end of the sentence. they हैं. Do they not play together? Okay. क्या आप पैसे नहीं कमाते हैं? Now they हैं again. Do you not earn money? Okay. The next one is क्या वो मोटरसाइकिल नहीं चलाती हैं? Does she not ride a bike? Okay. क्या एहसान खान यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाता है? So its English translation would be does Ehsan Khan teach in university? Now the last one is क्या मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलता हूँ? Do I not speak English? So these were the sentences in present simple tense. I hope you would have understood them all well. So this was our discussion regarding present simple tense. I think that to this point it is enough for today. We will inshallah carry on our discussion of tenses in our next video lesson. At the end, my dear students, I am going to assign you a simple home assignment. Write at least 15 sentences in this tense and divide them into affirmative, negative and interrogative portion. Thank you very much for your time. Till our next video lesson. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.